There you go.
Alright, so first when you heat up the glasses. So
Oh yeah, that's what I always do. Woo. Yeah, right.
The flames, right?
Yeah, awesome. What is that, rum or something that makes that burn?
That's actually Bacardi 151.
Ah, oh, of course.
Alright, so we get it back into Bacardi. And this is sugar and cinnamon.
Oh yeah.
Now we caramelize it.
Oh, yeah.
You're having the mocha.
Yep.
That's quite a popular one. That's Kahlua and Godiva.
Beautiful. Kahlua and Godiva, yeah.
Kahlua and Godiva.
Godiva liqueur, Kahlua, got it.
Regular coffee for you, right?
Cream?
Regular or decaf?
Regular.
Can you get some fresh whipped cream with the coffee?
Absolutely. Is that more 151?
Yes. Ready for the best part?
Yeah. Oh, God. That's insane. You're right. You got to watch the show.
That's why we call it the flaming coffee?
Yeah. Now, there's no way I'm going to be able to grab that handle.
No, but actually you can take it with this napkin.
Oh, okay.
And drink it actually straight away with the napkin.
Beautiful.
Alright.
That's crazy. Beautiful. Great job. What's your name?
My name is Paul.
Great. Thanks,
Enjoy
Paul.
your flaming coffee.